sleep?
Skunks sleep in hollow logs or holes. Sometimes we sleep in other animals' homes. We sleep during the day.
Do you have any enemies?
Owls sometimes hunt us. But most animals stay away from us.
Why do they stay away from you?
Skunks can make a spray. We shoot enemies with the spray. The spray smells awful.